Let's talk about the real reason why you should be drinking lemon water every single day. The average person does not know the true benefits, okay, with an S, of drinking lemon water because it's actually quite amazing. So let's cover all of the key points. Number one, by drinking lemon water on a regular basis, you have the potential to reduce a fatty liver. Now, this is the phytonutrients in the lemon water that have the ability to greatly improve something called hepatic steatosis. Now, what does hepatic mean? Liver. What does steatosis mean? That means the infiltration of fat into the liver. So hepatic steatosis means a fatty liver. Lemon water has the ability to dissolve the fat in the liver. There's other things as well, like purified bile salts, choline. A low-fat diet, as in ketogenic diet, can reduce up to 50% of the fat in your liver within 14 days. But if you add a little lemon to your water, you can actually speed things up. All right, number two, it can help reduce cholesterol. Not that cholesterol is a bad thing, but let's say your liver is sluggish and your gallbladder is sluggish and you're not producing enough bile and that's kind of backing up in the system. Lemon water can help increase the flow of bile through the bile ducts and help remove some of the excess cholesterol that's kind of backing up in the system. All right, number three, weight loss. Now, lemon water does not directly help you lose weight. It can indirectly help you lose weight. Now, quite a few studies on animals have shown this, but I want to help you understand the mechanism. Certain phytonutrients in lemon water stimulate significantly lower blood sugars. They reduce insulin resistance. So they lower insulin, and that is the reason why someone can lose weight. In fact, if you really want to know how to lose weight, what I would do is not try to research how to lose weight. I would research on how to lower insulin, because anything that lowers insulin is going to help you lose weight. In fact, the fat cells cannot shrink. It's impossible for a fat cell to shrink without lowering insulin, despite your calories. All right, number four, lemon has an anti-aging effect. Now, yes, the studies were done in animals, but most studies do start in animals and then you progress to humans. But in the 5-week study, they lived in, on average, 3 weeks longer. Now, you might be saying, well, that's not a long time, but that's only 5 weeks. Think about if you started drinking lemon water on a regular basis for the rest of your life. It could add up. And they also found that lemon water extended the life of the microbiome, your friendly bacteria, which is pretty interesting. All right, number five, anti-cancer effects. Now, I'm not telling you that lemon water is going to cure your cancer. I'm not saying that, but it's something you can add to help inhibit cancer. In test tube studies, it was found that certain phytonutrients in lemon water were able to kill malignant cancer of the tongue, of the lung, and the colon. All right, number six, and this is an important one, the reduction of kidney stones. Citrate in lemon juice binds with this thing called oxalate. Now, the most common type of kidney stone are oxalate stones, calcium oxalate stones. And so if you have citrate in your body, it can bind with the oxalates to prevent the stone from occurring. And so people that have a tendency to have kidney stones are usually low in citrates. And if you're prone to kidney stones, I would recommend increasing the amount of lemon juice to roughly about 1/2 cup to a cup of lemon juice every single day. Now, number seven, it can potentially give you vitamin C, but only if it's from actual lemons that have not been heated, like in your lemon juice that you would get in a bottle. So when you buy lemon juice at the store, it normally comes pasteurized. And the problem with vitamin C is that it's sensitive to heat. It gets degraded and destroyed with heat. So when you get bottled lemon juice, you're really getting next to zero vitamin C. But if you can get your vitamin C from an actual lemon, let's say you just take a lemon and you squeeze it into water, one lemon can provide up to half of your daily recommended vitamin C. Or should I say like almost half. So it gives you about 31 milligrams when you need like 70 to 75 per day. And vitamin C is so good for the immune system. It's good to prevent bleeding gums. It's good to prevent spider veins. It helps form collagen. It helps keep your arteries from becoming damaged, and many other things. Okay, the last benefit of lemon water is in its phytonutrients, and there's quite a few. And in these 3 phytonutrients, there's benefit in improving hemorrhoids, leg sores, circulation, spider veins, and varicose veins. In fact, one of the phytonutrients, naringin, is being tested as a potential treatment for Alzheimer's disease. It's also very antibacterial. It has antiviral properties as well as antifungal properties. So start putting lemon in your water on a regular basis. Definitely add it with the apple cider vinegar in your water. I would recommend the amount of lemon juice from a whole lemon or just a couple teaspoons. But be consistent and include it in part of your liquids on a regular basis. Now, if you haven't seen my video on apple cider vinegar, that's the next one you should watch. Check it out right here. Before you go real quick, I have a course entitled How to Bulletproof Your Immune System. It's a free course. I want you to take it. And here's why. Here's you. Here is your environment. Everyone is focused on this over here, avoiding your environment. But what about here? What about strengthening your immune system? That's what's missing. This course will show you how to bulletproof yourself, and so you can tolerate and resist your environment much better by strengthening your own immune system. I put a link down in the description right down below. Check it out and get signed up today. Hey, before